Hello guys, we had a problem about P0091 for Kia Sportage 1.6 Turbo GDI. It's 2016 model. The problem was when the car going to hot the room of motor, this area, the car going to limp mode, and after it, you can't go more than 3000 RPM. And we are looking for too many things. We changed too many things. For example, ECU. We changed the ECU. We changed the fuel pump. We changed the fuel pump at the back. We changed rail pressure sensor. We are get out intake manifold, maybe for valves. And we clean the catalyzer. We are looking for turbo to west stage. We look everything, but the problem is not about them. I think it's more than 1 year we are looking for it, but it was not any solution for us. But we made it. We get our solution, and I will show you the problem. The problem was about the electrical, and from here. And now, in the normal time, this cable is need to be in here. But when we changed the about gear, how can I say? Not clutch. Another thing, when they change it, they didn't make the cable to here. It was not anything here. When we see the problem, and the cable about this pump, this one, it was not good when we see it. I will show the photograph to you. And the solution is this one. We changed too many things. We changed the ECU. We changed these ones. Sorry for my bad English. We are looking every sensor in the car, but the solution was the cable. Yeah, I'm very happy because it was 1 year. It's more than 1 year. We didn't get it, and when the car going to hot and in the city, in the urban, every time these area going to hot, but we solve it.